Come here, baby. Come here. Okay. Okay, guys. So, welcome.
Hello! If you didn't know, it's my favorite month of the year, February, aka Black History Month, aka it's time to Venmo me if you haven't. Who?
That's Mother Teresa's medal.
Who's that? Who's the
Mother
lady?
Teresa.
But who's the lady?
Bonnie Long.
Who's Bonnie Long?
Mother Teresa's friend.
Thanks for the insight.
I have a question for you. What are you working on right now?
Modern Family.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Christopher Hazaradian.
Did you watch the Super Bowl last night?
No,
Why not?
I don't watch sports.
But what about Rihanna?
I don't know who that is.
Okay, Christopher. Anybody's wondering why Elise is the way she is. She used to suck on batteries as a kid. She used to try and eat batteries as a kid. And it got so bad to the point where she swallowed a penny.
In my defense, it was buzz. I can't lie. It was buzz. The flavor was unmatched. Where are you going, friend? What did you eat as a kid? I used to eat batteries.
Hey, yo.
You know them sandwiches where you cut off the edge of the bread, the breast of the bread? The breast of the bread. The crust.
The crust. You said rice.
And then, like, when you bite it, that bread begins stuck on the roof of your mouth.
You was like going back for the.
What did you guys used to like eat as a kid?
Eat?
Like I used to eat like those like candy chapsticks. Or like chargers. I used to chew on chargers.
Toilet paper?
How would you eat
Chalk.
it? Ew. How would you eat the toilet paper?
How?
Like would you just like shove it in?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hi.
Okay, sorry. What's your name?
I'm Aaron.
Did you watch the Super Bowl last night?
I actually did for Rihanna.
What's your favorite Rihanna song?
I like them all.
What's
Which
like
is, like-
what's like one of the favorites?
Is it basic to say umbrella?
No.
Okay.
Can you sing a little for us?
No, I can't. Sorry.
When the sun shines,
Keep
told you I'd be here forever. Said I'd always be your friend.
Personally, you guys, right now, my favorite Rihanna song. Don't you dare zoom in on me or get close to me. Personally, right now, my favorite Rihanna song would have to be "Woo" or "Higher." What do you mean no?
What weird things did you eat as a child?
Weird things? Oh, I ate dirt.
Oh, wow.
Thank you.
Lotion.
I used to eat baby lotion. The Johnson. It has a certain taste, you guys. I'm telling you. The purple one? No, the pink one. The pink one.
Like the no.
Mr. Lawfer, I've got a question for you. Your death row meal.
Death row meal? 80 chicken McNuggets.
No sauce, no drinks, no dessert.
Sweet and sour sauce. And some McFlurries, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. It seems sad to get McDonald's for death row.
To perform at the, I know you don't watch sports, but to perform at the Super Bowl halftime next year, who would it be?
I don't know.
Do you not listen to music?
Hardly ever know. Yeah.
Are you like a podcast guy?
No.
What would your death row meal be?
Meatballs and Dr. Pepper.
What's your name?
Demario,
What weird things did you used to eat as a kid?
Play-Doh.
Elise used to eat batteries.
Hey, Play-Doh was good though. I'm not gonna lie, like the flavored ones.
Have you ever tried batteries?
No, that's how you get electrocuted. Who's eating battery? No.
Hi, Bailey. We met at the game this weekend. Do you remember me?
Oh, yeah.
We shook hands.
Yeah, we did.
I feel like you don't remember me.
because
That's okay if you don't.
the whole night, like, passed in a blur. The second I got home, thinking, like, what's that girl's name? Wait, what?
Oh, you do remember me then. You just don't remember my name.
Yeah.
My name's Sophia.
Oh, hi, Sophia. I'm Bailey.
Nice to meet you.
What weird things did you eat as a kid? For example, I used to suck on batteries.
Probably Play-Doh.
Thank you. Yummy. I used to be a cornflakes type of gal, but now I've converted to Frosted Flakes. I like the sugar. Reese's Puffs. Who said that? Who said that? Why'd you lie? Why did you lie?
Reese's Puffs is the
Why
best.
did you lie? Why did you just lie? Where's cereal? Go.
Cocoa Puffs.
Cap, 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 cap.
My name is John Witt.
What's your favorite Rihanna song?
But I'm gonna say All of the Lights.
Can you sing a little for us?
All of the lights. All of the lights. Da, da, give it here, babe.
What month is it?
February?
What else?
What do you mean, what else?
He doesn't know. I asked him what month it was. He said February. What else? No, not what day is it. Okay, so for final take. Well, you know who I have to ask. You. I have to. Can I ask you guys about Rihanna's about Rihanna's Super Bowl performance? What do you think?
It was good.
Yeah, it was alright.
It was kind of boring, right? But it's Rihanna.
It was a little underwhelming. Compared last year was hard to top.
What's your favorite Rihanna song?
I don't know, Umbrella maybe.
Can you sing a little for us?
Umbrella, Ella, Ella, eh, eh, eh.